So here we are in another fun project. This is a warehouse. We were able to bang this out in 2 days. So we have a couple drops on the walls for receiving. We have a couple camera locations. We have a WAPS. We have the uplinks right there where the ONT, Verizon or Comcast can come. Then we have uplinks going to the office area. So again, with camera placement, you just want to figure out what you want to capture, external, internal. This is the receiving office. We have a drop there. We have a couple drops for pending furniture. I will mention the ceiling was increasingly dirty, so we had to spend pretty much 8 hours just cleaning the walls. So, you know, pretty much standard just drops right next to outlets. And what we have here is basically an office, and kitchen area. We'll show you quickly. Also, we do fire up IT equipment. We prefer everybody drop ship it, but we installed the switch. Now, we actually needed the switch and the NVR because we had the cameras, and since we already have a lift on site, we have to angle the cameras. As it turns out, we had one bad camera, which they'll address at a later point. But if people send in their firewalls, cameras, WAPs, configure it, we can just fire it up for you guys. It saves a lot of money for IT support and also hotels if you want to come out here. With every site, we also give you a network map, ports all documented, and everything fired up correctly. So we have basically a small rack. I make sure that they got the fans because this is going to be closed, and now we had to get creative with power. So, but all in all, 2 days, not too bad. 48 port panel, rack, fans, and that's it for Bridge Cable. Please like, please comment, please tell us what you would like to see on our channel. Fun job closing out in Hatboro, Pennsylvania.